With so many options today, finding the right chiropractor for your needs can seem like a difficult process, but it really doesn't have to be. There are some key questions you can ask which will help narrow your choices down and make the whole exercise easier. Today's local chiropractic expert will share some insider tips on what to look for when searching for the right chiropractor.
So, I'm Dr. Joseph Estrada. How do you find the right chiropractor? I get this question asked to me all the time. The problem with finding the right chiropractor is it can be very stressful and overwhelming. But the good news is that it doesn't have to be. The difficulty in doing that is just doing your research. Searching for the great chiropractor has to suit all of your needs. Are they addressing everything that you have going on, such as the pain, the tight muscles, the achiness? Are they making sure that they're listening to you? That's also a big deal. If they're not listening to you properly, they might be trying to treat the wrong part of the problem that you have. So finding a chiropractor that's also close by has to meet your needs as well. You don't want to be driving 1 hour to go get adjusted and then driving in an hour back. Depending on how much traffic there is, you could lose a lot of the adjustment that you receive. And flexibility with the chiropractor also has to be one of those things that you have to keep in mind. Do their hours go with your work schedule or the schedule that you have when you have to pick up your kids or run errands? You don't want to be trying to fit in this small time limit when you're trying to get your problem fully fixed. But I got a couple tips that can help out with that. The first one is, does the chiropractor have a good reputation? Usually if chiropractors have about 6 to 8, maybe 10 reviews, that's going to give you a little bit more comfort. It'll give you a little bit better perspective when you're reading how other people are interacting with that chiropractor. They're giving you that belief that this chiropractor is taking time to listen to what they're doing, and they're working hard to get a really good result for all of the problems that they're treating. The second tip is, are they personable? You want your chiropractor to be able to listen to you. You sometimes have to tell a story of how this problem exactly happened. Whether it's you were driving in a car, you misstepped off of the curb the wrong way, you went to go pick up your kid, and then the form happened to be out of place. The chiropractor has to be able to give that comfort that you can tell them anything that you think is relevant, and they're going to listen to you so that they can treat your problem the right way. The third is that, are those chiropractors that you're looking up, are they invested in the new technologies, and are they up to date to the newest techniques? Techniques always get better, they get more refined, just like technology. You have to be able to address the soft tissue. You got to be able to test that inflammation. Do they have some compression that's happening on the disc that could be affecting some of the nerves going to the rest of the body? Here at New Leaf Chiropractic, we have a decompression table. We also have an intersegmental table that helps work to keep the spine nice and mobilized. The decompression table especially helps to open up the disc spaces so that it can put the fluid back in and then take the pressure off of those nerves so that they're not overacting or feeling like they're pinched. A lot of times is that when we're doing a 360 approach, different techniques all work different on each patient. So the treatment plans are catered so that the best outcomes work out for each patient. I don't do a cut and paste job. I want each treatment plan to be specific for what that patient is feeling. At New Leaf Chiropractic, we treat every single kind of patient, whether it's a young child fresh out of birth, or all the older ones who have gone through wars and they're just trying to live through their retirement, to even pro athletes. I want to make sure that I can address each individual as best as I can. I also specialize in sports chiropractic medicine. A lot of athletes go through that stress of training and competing, and different things can happen at once. Just if you change one of the techniques, the lifts can go wrong, they get slide tackled while they're playing soccer, they fall off while they're riding their bike or their motorcycle. If you want more information, the website for Newly Chiropractic is nlchiropractic.com, or you can call here at the office at 586-939-1003. We'll be happy to answer all the questions that you need. We can also get you a consultation schedule so that you can speak directly to me, and then we can have a more personalized conversation as well.
There you go. Pretty impressive, isn't it? With the right professional, your search will be quick and easy. Are you ready to take the next step? You can reach today's expert at the number on your screen. Thank you for taking the time to visit.